In this video, I'll be showing you how to download and install Windows 11 from a USB flash drive for free. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's very easy to do, but on whatever laptop you already have that already has Windows and not on the laptop that you want Windows 11 on, all I want to do is type in download Windows 11 like so, and then just go to download Windows 11. There's going to be a few different options here, and what you want to do is not use the installation assistant. This is only for if you already have Windows 10 and 11 on your device that's already existing. What you want to do is scroll down, and then you're going to see a few different options, and the one you want to go ahead and click on is create Windows 11 installation media. So it says if you want to perform a reinstall or clean install of Windows 11 on a new or used PC, use this option. So it's going to say before you go ahead and use it, this is what you must have. It needs to have at least 8 gigabytes of data. And then all you want to do is press download now. And then that's it. You'll be good to go. Once you press download now, it's going to install it. Then just put it onto your USB. And then you can use that whenever you're launching up Windows 11 after you run the installer. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.